Okay, so hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use Autoreels and generate faceless videos for your band. So let's open Google Chrome first and then click write autoreels.in, whatever browser you are using. So I already signed up, so I'm going to go to dashboard cell. So on left side you can see Studio Reels, UGC video ad, graphic motion, video resizer, video compressor, text to image, and lots of other tools. So that's it. And let's click on Open Studio Client. And right now we are generating reels. So create on reels, and here you can see story reels and quick reels. So I'm gonna create one story reels. So click on story reels from left side and let's generate like Spider-Man vibe. Spider-Man teaching coding to coding in school movie vibe. Okay, so select it sci-fi, documentary, maybe mystery, and scene count. Let's select 10. Image style. Let's select cinematic, and we can continue in music. So we are using made scientist voice right now. For in voice, like we are using English, and for background atmosphere we are not selecting anything right now. And let's click on generate. So it will start generating a script based on your prompt. So let's wait and see the output until I post this video. Okay, so video is generated. So let's check out what was the output. So right now I'm clicking on view reel button. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's continue it and let's play it. You can also schedule your video from here. Like you can also download in 4K, and that's it. So if you are interested in more, then you can also book a call with me on this application. Like just click on book call demo. So I will hop on a call and I will explain you everything. So thank you everyone, and like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.